Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now, gather the device serial or IMEI and the original proof of purchase, because Apple requires verifiable ownership. You should sign into your Apple ID if you can. Once done, check activation lock status in settings or on the device info screen. If you are not the original owner, make sure you have a signed authorization and contact details for that owner. This prevents delays because Apple verifies documentation before they remove activation lock and will reject incomplete requests. Next, contact Apple support directly and request an activation lock removal. This is the lawful path. Explain why you need the lock lifted, then submit the proof of purchase, IMEI/serial, and any owner authorization they ask for. Apple will verify identity and ownership. This can take time, so keep the case number and follow instructions for any additional forms. Once Apple approves, they either remove the lock remotely or give you steps to complete the unlock on the device. Finish by following Apple's provided steps. Sign out the previous Apple ID if possible, then restore or activate the iPhone as instructed. Make sure to keep your case number and any emailed confirmations. If Apple denies removal, provide clearer proof or have the original owner contact support directly. Sometimes a signed, notarized statement helps. If problems persist, make an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider so staff can review documents in person and resolve remaining activation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.